Hello, welcome to another reset for the week video. It's Sunday morning. Usually, when it's Sunday, I take the time to actually clean the kitchen and the living room, and my family hang around, and we're just having some time as a family. And it was after breakfast, and things are everywhere, dishes are piled everywhere, and the place is looking a mess, so I'm gonna clean around. Sometimes it takes me longer because I'm just busy with the kids around, and I usually just dance while doing all that stuff, just spending time with the family. And I'll let some of this, you can hear part of it, but part of it was just like chaos and speaking in different languages, and that's why I didn't put it in. But I'm trying to include as much as I can. How are you guys doing? I am a mama of three. I'm a working mom. I do videos on cooking, mainly African food, and cleaning. And if you enjoy these kind of videos, please don't forget to like or comment down below what you enjoy about this kind of videos. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe after watching, or anytime when you want to subscribe. I usually make my own. I was looking for some cleaning product. I usually just make a quick cleaning product. The vinegar, and I add some soap and just water, and it's a good cleaner or a good disinfectant or sanitizer, I would say. And I like to just make my own stuff. I have other things, but I like to make that, and I'll clean it mostly with that in this video when I'm cleaning. So like I say, we're just spending time. And with this one, I just put the vinegar, some water, and it is soap. um and yeah, you just mix it together and you're good to clean any surface counters. And I like this mainly for my appliances because it makes it shinier, and it's good. And I do this most of the time when I'm cleaning. So yeah, if you want more in-depth cleaning videos, I do have and I'll post them down in a comment below. Thank you for watching until right now, and continue to watch as we spend time with my family. And I made a video of how to clean the stove. I have a glass stove, so it's actually hard to clean. You can't just put any kind of chemical or clean it with anything. And I was just telling my husband how, because he cooked the last time, so the thing was really looking crazy. So actually, if you want to watch a full video of how to clean properly, click on the link, click on this video right here. You can watch the whole video how I clean it. I tried different cleaning products. I even tried that Dawn spray, or power wash, or power spray. That thing, you just clean it for a little bit. If you want like deep clean to make your your stove glass look really brand new, check out this video that's up here, and it will change your life. So all those dishes, all those things were from last night. And I started cleaning, and they were clean. So but all those stuff over there, I still have to clean them. And you're gonna see in a little bit, the sink is pretty much full, but I was just going slowly, a little bit by a little bit. And yeah, thank you for spending some time.
Guys, are me and my mother twins?
It's not live.
Okay. Oh, okay. So, can they hear me? Or are you gonna take off the voice?
Sure, you can talk.
I guess I have to. Come here for a second.
Guys, look at my twin.
Don't side eye me. Go back. So, we're not gonna eat this popcorn? I'm not. That doesn't look
I ate like half of this popcorn. I think we're throwing it.
Yeah, and I have to clean up your mess.
What, in the basement?
Yes.
So I exchanged the big bottle of water to this. What?
You're eating something.
What? Say so. I exchanged the big bottle of water to this.
Nice. Put this in the video so I can motivate it to actually put something in it.
Can you put that thing down?
Okay.
Keys. So yeah, I drink more water I think at work. I feel like at work I drink more water than at home.
You gotta warm it up first.
That baby's about to escape
Escape where the gates go.
through the holes of the gate.
Where is he learning his robbery skills?
Are you done? I need to do this thing.
She is. You see? She is. Kicking me out of my own kitchen that I paid for.
Hey,
They
King,
actually
are
live
you
in the
gonna
house
help me?
I paid for. This is my mansion.
Are you gonna help me clean, King? Where is the egg, King?
Is the room locked?
Baby!
Is the room locked? How many seconds should I want until like 30?
Huh?
Should like 30 seconds?
Apparently, you need like a minute or 2, 3. Put a minute, and then take it out and try it and see. I'll just be doing some crazy stuff. Well, I was supposed to be making what kind of juice? Pineapple, some type of juice. Okay, one of these days.
Yeah, cantaloupe.
Cantaloupe juice. Who drinks cantaloupe juice? Anybody out there who drinks cantaloupe juice? Is there such thing? What? Yeah. Dito na to, toka mo.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I did it warmer.
That's a question for you.
You touch it and see. Which one?
Burn.
If
I
you
said
burn
you
you
should.
put too much. If your hand is like it's kind of cold, you need more.
Yeah, lock it. Lock it.
I did it.
Lock it. You can lock it, you just can't unlock it, you know? I don't know that trial. You guys, we're gonna start a place called Moon Daddy's Ribs. Come visit.
Who are you talking to? Who does not pull it?
Yeah.
Oh, she can. Why? Show the
Moon
ribs.
Daddy's Ribs.
Show the ribs.
Can they see?
So so what's the thing?
Moon Daddy's Ribs. Oh.
Hey, I don't know what I'm doing. Look at this shower.
I'll make the eggs.
Can you let my feet go?
Say, Mom, can
Yeah.
you papa me?
No, sure, Papa. But then you're gonna be in my video. I don't want wahala. Hey, who put this? You?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, you realize it now?
Yeah.
Oh, you don't show that picture. It's absolutely crazy. You've never cleaned that.
Ostracious. How do you say stress?
Atrocious. Not even close.
Atrocity. Do not need to go back to freaking ASL one. Hey, that's actually like a strong word. That's like ESL.
What?
Like atrocity. No, atrocity. I cannot pronounce stuff when it comes to English. How you say the word?
Atrocity.
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 There we go.
I thought I was saying it right on
It's
the
atrocity. What?
What is it again? Atrocity?
Atrocity.
What does that mean?
Atrocity. It's atrocity. Are you serious?
Like something that's really like outrageous, I think.
It basically is atrocious.
What does atrocious mean?
Atrocious means horrifyingly wicked.
Oh, okay. See?
Atrocious cruelties.
Ah! Ano ba? Ano siya pa niya na may? Ah! I keep on forgetting. I press on it. So it was time to do the dishes. I usually just, when I have to do it by hand or even oil dishwasher, I usually just put on the one side of the sink. I put water. I put soap and some vinegar, and I soak those dishes. And yeah, but this time around, I was doing them by hand. And make sure you clean your board, your cutting board, whenever you wash the dishes or every time, because when you use it so much. It's one of the things that needs to be washed very often. So I wash that, and then I clean all the dishes. So you put one side, you soak them, and then the other side you just rinse. And one of the places that I use to excuse me, to dry the dishes is my dishwasher. And as you can see, I made fufu last night. You can see the pot over there that is stoked with things. It's already loosened. So I'm gonna clean the pot later. But right now, so after I finish rinsing everything, I put them in a dishwasher to dry. I'm getting ready to wash my microfiber cloth or for the my kitchen rags. I usually just put water and then I soak them in apple cider vinegar and baking soda, and I put it in the water like that and clean it like that and sanitize like that and put it in a dryer and dry them. That's how I clean them. So I do this often. When I was done with that, I started cleaning the floors, and for that I had some water on a stove while I was sweeping. Most of the time I use the vacuum, but I was just sweeping. And when I was done, I put some. Det- I didn't use detergent this time for my floors. I used Mr. Clean with that hot water, and I don't do this that often because I don't want to ruin my floors. These are wood floors, so you don't want to put too much water all the time. So but I do this, I clean the floors this way. But that side over there where the trash is, it needed some attention. The trash bin, so it needed some attention, cleaning all that with the products, the mixture that I made earlier. And while I was doing all this, my daughter was or doing her laundry. She does her laundry separate from us, I guess. But yeah, so that space over there needed some more attention, just cleaning a little bit. Yeah, in case you haven't noticed, I had to carry this baby with the wrap because it was that much late, cleaning, talking, and all that stuff. He was sleepy, he was running around, and I hold him, and there he was sleeping. So most of the time, I do this when I'm cleaning or cooking or any kind of work, because when you have a baby, you need either a carrier, beyond, or whatever. But I use this African wrap to wrap my baby, so I'm able to do things around the house while he's either napping or he just want me to hold him, and I spend some time with him like that. So that's what I'm doing. Um, my husband was also there just watching TV while I clean, while we're talking. That's why most of the time I didn't put this. I would have left there the noise, the conversations, and all that stuff. So here I am and putting the water, the hot water. Like I said, I don't do this that often. And I put the Mr. Clean. You can put whatever you want to put for your floors. You can still, so different time. I do different things, but this is what I have on this time around. So yeah, so we're cleaning the floors, and you go through this couple times. I love this bucket. I use it often, and that's one I have. I had this other one, but this whole cedar bucket, it's a life changer. So get yourself one if you haven't. I'm not endorsing it or anything. I'm just saying it will make your life easier, because I've tried. I have other things that I use, the Swifter duster, the Swifter, whatever it is. But this is actually the best. So you don't have to like really kneel down and clean your house like all the time, like I used to do with a Kikolopo for the Congolese people, que kolopon and bekechi amai, with a bucket of water. You're just like on the floors, scrubbing. You can scrub once in a while, excuse me, but this thing just works good, and it cleans good, and you don't need to put too much products or all these other things. So yeah, there's me cleaning, and everybody's sitting down, and excuse me, my daughter actually cleans too, but like I said, during the weekend, for the beginning of the week, I like to do this to have the house clean. Otherwise, my week is going to be crazy. So that's the side that I was actually cleaning, and it looks so clean. And look at the time; it's kind of late. This was like an hour or two later, but because like I said, we're spending time as family and cleaning, and yeah, thank you for watching. If you got this far and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and get more videos like this. But I was actually tired at the end of this, and this baby was just like sleeping. I promise you, the minute I put him down, he's gonna wake up. That's what he does. Like, you hold him like this, he will sleep. Like, he will sleep. The minute you put him down, he's like looking at you like, what are you doing, mama? Like, no. So that's what we actually do. Like, when I have to clean, like I mentioned, clean or cook, this is how it's looking. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.